Precision redefined, efficiency unleashed. The HK80B series CNC lathe delivers industrial-grade performance. Featuring a stress-relieved cast iron bed and precision-hardened guideways for maximum rigidity and lasting accuracy. With 3-gear transmission and stepless speed control, it generates 1,265 Newton-meters torque at 1,120 revolutions per minute, machining hardened steels, alloys, and engineering plastics with ease. Rapid servo turret enables sub-second tool changes. Configure with hydraulic chucks, tailstocks, and 4/6 station tool posts to handle shafts, discs, threads, and complex geometries. The FANUC Zero ITF CNC system and integrated cooling maintain plus or minus 0.005 millimeters precision across batch runs. From prototypes to high-volume production, HK80B's modular design adapts to your needs, where precision engineering meets smart manufacturing strategy.